In this video, I'll show you how to cut middle part of video in CapCut Mobile. To get started, go ahead and open CapCut on your mobile device and then click on New Project. Now, this will redirect you into your local drive. Now, select a video that you want to part in the middle. So, click on the video that you want to part in the middle and then click on that Add button, which you'll find at the bottom right of your screen. Now, this video will be uploaded into your canvas. Now, on your canvas, go ahead and look for the middle part of the video. So as you can see, you can find these timestamps that will help you look for the middle part of the video. Click on the video once you've found the middle part, and then once you click on the video, on the tools section, you'll be able to find a split tool. So go ahead and click on that video. Be able to cut that in the middle once you have found the middle portion of the video. Now once you click on the video, you'll find on the tools the split tool. Click on that split button to be able to cut this part of the video. That's basically how you can cut middle part of video in CapCut Mobile. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.